Top 3 Amazon gadgets. Number 1. Introducing the Tosima W3 window cleaning robot. With dual direction auto spray, it ensures every inch of your glass is spotless. Its triple safety system includes anti-drop sensors, edge detection, and strong suction. For worry-free operation, smart navigation maps your windows for efficient, thorough cleaning. Control it easily from a distance with the included remote. Perfect for windows, glass doors, mirrors, and tiles. Plus, it comes with 12 reusable cleaning rags. The Tosima W3's smarter way to shine. Number 2. Meet the Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Oven Gloves, your ultimate grilling companion. These hitch-resistant gloves withstand up to 500 degrees. Combining waterproof silicone with thick cotton for comfort and protection, designed to fit all hand sizes, they're perfect for smokers, grills, fryers, and ovens. Non-slip grip and full finger flexibility give you total control. Plus, you get 2 sticky hangers and 2 bonus recipe ebooks. Cook like a pro with gloves trusted by top chefs. Number 3. Introducing the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle. With one-touch smart stirring, it blends your shake in just 30 seconds. No hand shaking required. Its powerful vortex system eliminates lumps for a smooth milk-like texture. From BPA-free Triton, it's non-toxic, odorless, and easy to clean. The quiet motor won't disturb your space, and the leak-proof design keeps everything secure. Lightweight with a carry ring, it's perfect for on-the-go fitness or meal replacements.